Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Sobrang na-miss kong mag-film ng ganito yung setup. Ang tagal ko na kasing hindi gumagawa ng videos for my YouTube channel. At dahil ngayon may pupuntahan ako, naisipan kong gumawa ng isang beauty video. And that's what you can see from the title below. Ito yung Get Ready With Me Pregnancy Edition / My Tamad Days na Makeup. Tell you an information about my skin type. I have a very dry skin and all year round yun, guys. Mas lalo na ngayong pregnant ako, mas nag-double up yung pagiging dry ng aking skin. Kaya sobra din akong maglagay ng moisturizer. So without further ado, let's proceed doon sa makeup tutorial. So, I have already moisturized my face. Hindi ako gumagamit ng primer, guys, kasi usually kapag lumalabas ako, a couple of hours lang yung ini-spend ko sa labas. At since hindi naman ako nag-oil up, hindi na rin ako gumagamit ng primer. Mga nakaraang araw, ang ginagamit ko is this Bello Tinted Sunscreen. Usually, 2 pumps lang yung aking ginagamit to cover my entire face. Itong sunscreen na to, very sheer lang yung kanyang coverage. And the good thing about this is that meron na siyang kasamang SPF. So in applying this tinted sunscreen, ang ginagamit ko is my fingers to apply it all over my face. I'm going to spread it using my fingers. So, kung full coverage kind of girl kayo, baka hindi nyo to magustuhan. After applying the tinted sunscreen, I proceed to the concealer. And ito yung ginagamit ko. I have the Tarte Shape Tape and the same concealer. Yung shades ko dito, guys, is Light Sand for the Tarte Shape Tape. And itong contour for the same. These are full coverage type of concealers. And ang ginagawa ko, pinagko-combine ko sila. This is a lighter shade and this is a darker shade. If you're wondering bakit ako gumagamit ng mas darker na concealer, it's because to cancel out yung aking dark edges dito sa aking eye bags. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, I apply a little bit of this concealer right here. And then, ginagawa ko, nag-a-apply din ako dito sa my inner part. And also here on my lids. And then, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this. Hindi ito yung perfect shade for my under eyes, but ang kinagustuhan ko dito is that nakaka-cancel out niya yung dark circles ko. What I'm going to do next is to apply this concealer from the Tarte Shape Tape. If you're going to use this concealer, make sure na mag-moisturize kayo ng inyong under eyes dahil medyo nakaka-dry siya. So, ang ginagawa ko is the V-type. I'm going to put some here. Ginagawa ko, guys, nagko-concentrate lang ako sa inner parts of my face, and then I'm going to use this beauty blender again to blend the concealer on my entire face. Para sa mga nagtataka, nare-receive akong mga comments na ang sabi nila na papansin nila na maputi daw yung mukha ko kaysa sa aking leeg. Yes, yung concealer ko, it's a lighter shade than my usual skin tone sa aking face. Usually kasi kapag matagal ko nang suot ang isang base or ang isang concealer, ang nangyayari is nag-oxidize siya and nan-neutralize na yung color at nagiging okay na siya, pantay na siya sa aking neck area. And since meron kasi akong ring light in front of me, and of course, meron din akong light above my head. Kaya sobrang pumuputi yung aking mukha. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Dito sa weather namin, pwede nang hindi ako mag-powder, but mas gusto ko kasi yung matte finish kaysa sa dewy finish. Hindi ko ba alam. Basta yun yung bet ko. Para sa akin, that's the best way para magtagal ang isang foundation or ang isang makeup. Gagamitin ko is this pressed powder from Wet n Wild. And sobrang gusto ko to, guys. Para siyang dupe kay Laura Mercier. And I'm going to use this sponge. Ina-apply ko muna siya dito sa aking under eyes kung saan usually nagki-crease yung base and foundation. So, lalagay ko din siya dito sa aking lid area. Course, dito sa area ng aking nose. The forehead. The next thing that I'm going to do is to apply a brow mascara. Hindi na ako masyado nagpo-focus sa brows, guys, kasi hindi naman event yung pupuntahan ko. So, kung may errands ako, ang ginagawa ko, nag-a-apply lang ako ng brow gel mascara, and this is from Kaja. Bago to, guys. This is a K-beauty brand inside Sephora. And ang ginagawa ko, binabrush ko lang upwards yung aking kilay. What I'm going to do next is to apply a bronzer and a blush. For the bronzer, ang ginagamit ko is this L'Oreal True Match Lumi. And this is in the shade Light or Clear. I'm going to use is this kind of brush. And mag-a-apply lang ako ng bronzer. So, pag nag-a-apply ako ng bronzer, circular motion muna dito para may panggalingan or may root yung mismong bronze, yung mismong color ng bronzer. And then, I'm going to swirl it down here sa aking jawline. And then, what's left, hindi na ako magdi-dip back doon. Iko-continue ko na siya dito. You see the difference? Medyo nabawasan yung aking fats. And since bawal mag-diet pag pregnant, contour-contour muna. Kung makalimutan, the same brush dahil nagmamadali din ako and tamad ako, ayan, diretso na ako dito. Ganyanin ko na lang yung brush to apply a little bit of shadow dito sa aking nose. Importante ang bridge line dahil pag pregnant, hindi maiwasang mamanas ang ilong. I'm going to apply blush on, and for the blush, meron akong favorite gamitin. And this is the Careline Oil Control Blush On in the shade of Starlight Shine. So, i-extend ko lang siya dito para mukhang natural. Proceeding on my eyelashes, gagamit lang ako ng curler. And this is my trusty curler. For the mascara, ang gagamitin ko is this Maybelline in New York, the Hyper Curl Volume Express, and this is from the Philippines. For my lips naman, napaka-easy lang nito. I'm going to use this NYX Suede Lipsticks. Ito yung bago nilang lipsticks na meron dito sa USA. Nagawa ko is the lightest shade. And the one that I have here is Brunch Me. Option ko na gawing gradient lip yung aking lips. So, mag-a-apply ako nitong red shade from NYX Suede. And this is in the shade of Spicy. The last step for this makeup tutorial is, of course, to set my entire face with a mist or setting spray. So this is from Morphe, and usually ang ginagawa ko, nag-spray lang ako all over my face. So this is my final look for this makeup tutorial, the Get Ready With Me Pregnancy Edition / my Tamad Days. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and of course, click the thumbs up button. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye!